So my next job today is going to be potting on these nasturtiums. They're a gorgeous kind of black-red colour. They're called Black Velvet. A good way to tell whether or not something's ready for potting on is very gently having a little look underneath. And if you can see roots popping out like here, that's a good sign that they're ready to be up to the next size. So all you have to do is give them a little squeeze underneath, a little push. You can see it's starting to come loose there. If it's struggling to come out, then make sure you're using a leaf rather than a stem, because if the stem snaps off, the plant can always grow a new one. But if you snap this, if you snap a leaf, it can always grow a new one. But if you snap a stem, well, that's a different matter, and it can be the end of your plant. So all I'm going to do now, so because I can see it's coming out quite easily, I'm using the stem very gently, and just what we want to see, a nice healthy plug. So all I'm then going to do is pop it in this next size up, grab some multi-purpose compost and just nestle it around like so. All I'm going to do then is repeat the process until all of them have been potted on, and then give them a soak in the grow bag tray.